Hello and welcome. As manager of this facility, I'm proud to show you the work we do with these magnificent animals.
The clasp is solid brass and the leather is sourced directly from Italy.
Is the lining silk?
Yes, it is. It really completes the piece.
The stitching is impeccable and it has RFID protection in these slots.
It feels wonderful. The leather quality is superb.
So if you look closely at the seam here, you can see the precision in the stitching.
Yeah.
And the interior lining is actually water resistant, which is a key feature.
This specific model here features our finest Italian calfskin, known for its durability and soft texture.
The brass hardware is solid, sourced directly from Italy. And if you feel the stitching here, it's entirely hand-sewn for incredible durability.
It's beautiful.
This full-grain leather is incredibly supple.
Yes, it's hand-stitched by our artisans in Florence. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee.
As you can see, the seamless integration is unique to this model.
Yes, the craftsmanship is remarkable.
The texture on this full-grain leather is quite unique.
It's stunning. And the stitching is flawless.
Do you have a matching wallet, perhaps?
Notice the soft edge construction here. It's designed for durability without the bulk.
I love the feel of this leather. It's exactly what I was looking for.
Yeah. This is our finest saddle leather, entirely hand-stitched.
It's absolutely exquisite in person. The craftsmanship is stunning.
The craftsmanship on this piece is exceptional. Notice the hand stitching here.
It is beautiful, and the leather feels incredibly supple.
The stitching here is hand sewn, ensuring it lasts a lifetime.
It is exquisite. I believe this is the one.
Yeah.
can see, the stitching here is saddle stitched by hand for maximum durability. Inside, we have the specialized card slots.
The craftsmanship on this briefcase is exquisite.
It truly is. The leather feels incredibly soft.
Thank you for your purchase, sir.
Thank you. It is exquisite. The clasp is hand finished in palladium. It feels exquisite. The leather is incredibly soft.
The stitching on this is exquisite.
And the leather feels incredibly supple. It's beautiful craftsmanship.
The quality of this hide is exceptional, very supple yet durable. See how the patina develops?
It feels great. How does it compare to the card holder?
The stitching on this duffel is exquisite.
We source only the finest full-grain leather for this collection.
This leather is exquisite. Is it locally sourced?
Yes, sir. Hand stitched right here. It comes with a lifetime guarantee. The lining is a beautiful silk, and the clasp is solid brass.
It's exquisite.
Notice the hand stitching here.
Remarkable quality.
The interior is lined with a soft beige suede, extremely durable. Notice the reinforced stitching here.
Oh, it feels wonderful. The weight is perfect.
Notice the craftsmanship on the stitching here.
Yeah. It's exquisite. Does it come with a dust bag?
The stitching on this briefcase
It's all done by hand. Yeah, it's beautiful work.
Do these wallets come with RFID protection?
How does that bomber jacket feel? The fit is perfect and the leather is incredibly soft.
You should definitely get it.
This calfskin is sourced from the finest tannery in Italy. Notice the hand-stitched detail along the seams?
It's exquisite. The texture is incredibly soft.
Yeah.
This is our finest calfskin, extremely durable yet soft.
It's beautiful. Does it come in black?
We have a limited edition that just arrived.
See how flexible yet resilient the hide is. It really speaks to the quality.
It's beautiful. The texture is incredibly soft.
This tote is crafted from our finest aniline leather, incredibly soft as you can feel. It's beautiful. The stitching is exquisite. We'll take it.
Notice the precision in the stitching. Okay. This is all done by hand to ensure maximum durability. The leather is sourced directly from Italy, incredibly durable yet soft to the touch. This briefcase
The saddle stitching here is entirely done by hand, ensuring this level of durability. Yeah.
It's exquisite work. The leather feels incredible too.
The craftsmanship on this piece is truly exceptional. The lining is sourced from the finest silk exclusively for this collection.
As you can see, the leather on this briefcase is exceptionally supple.
Yes, the texture is remarkable. And the interior lining is a rich suede.